Cloud computing enables enterprise to host their application on data center for the cost-effective IT operations and ability to scale up and down resources on demand without compromising on reliability. Looks like this is a very complex definition here. We'll see cloud computing definition in a very normal terms and see that, and later we'll visit this slide back. Before that, before what is a cloud computing, let's discuss today where we are developing the applications and hosting the applications. Let us see how the platform has evolved altogether and how we stand today based on our previous history. Say, for example, earlier we used to develop the application 1980s, 1990s, 2000s, 2010. Until now, we were developing the application and we were deploying the application onto the production server to run the applications. That's the overall idea. So the platform was like, okay, you buy the hardware, you buy the necessity or required hardware to run the application, and you deploy the application. And before deploying, you install all the necessary software. If it was a web application, probably it requires a application server, database server. It's a very powerful server is what you require it. Application server, again, that requires the software like IIS, Tomcat, Apache. Those are the necessary softwares to make it as an application server. If it is a database server, you buy the hardware, you install the necessary operating system, you install the database operating system, database server, like an Oracle or a SQL server. There's a lot of a configuration which is involved. There is a lot of a manpower which is required. There is a lot of a hardware cost. Everything you have to buy. A company, a typical company, which is an IT-based company or the businesses whose business is dependent on IT-enabled companies rather, I would say this. So they are the companies who are required to buy the hardware to deploy their application, have a software, and maintain the software. It's not just about, it's not a one-time investment, right? We also need to maintain the software